Welcome to the third tutorial about how to get started on the PlayVisit Studio platform. Now that we have indicated on the map all the points that our tour will go through, it is time to personalize each one of them. To edit one of the stops, we have to click on the pencil and then we will be on the point editing screen. We see that at the top we have again the sections to add the basic information. In the central part we can edit all the three screens, and in the bottom part we have the options to generate a QR code or to finish the edition of this point. We start then by defining the basic parameters. These are the name of the point, the reward points our user will get after completing this first stop, the activation distance in meters. This is that when the person is in the radius of the chosen meters, the content of this stop is activated. We can also define the name of the reward. And finally, we have to add an image of our reward. Once we have these attributes defined, we can start customizing the point we have chosen. We see that it is divided into three screens: the screen before challenge, the screen for the challenge, and the screen after challenge. The first one is the one that our users will see once he or she arrives at the stop and before doing the challenge. We have to write a title. We have to choose if you want to add audiovisual material or not. So we can choose between an image, a video of ours and an image, a video from YouTube or Vimeo, an audio with a poster, or nothing at all. So in this case we will select an image and we'll have to add some type of description for this first stop. The second screen we have to customize is the challenge screen. Before customizing, we have to choose the challenge we want our users to overcome, which can be a quiz, a puzzle, or simply a check-in. If it is a check-in, the user will only have to check in with their mobile phones. If it is a puzzle, we'll have to choose an image, write a brief question, but also decide in how many parts we want our image to be divided into. And we can also help our users by giving them hints. We can also choose to do a quiz. In this case, we can also add a picture, write the question here, and add the answers. We can add as many answers as we want, but the important thing here is to select the correct one. The last screen to be customized is the screen after challenge. It is very similar to the first one, since we have to add a title and a description. We see that the image chosen for the reward is displayed here, as well as the points chosen before. For example, in this case, it is interesting to add some information of the challenge overcome. Once we already have customized the point, it is useful to duplicate it so we can save time and work, because probably many features that we did on the first stop will be similar to the following stops. When we have all the points edited, the last step will be to publish and share the experience, but I'll show you it in the next video. See you now!